Did you know India had advanced forged welding cannon making technology centuries before European casting techniques? The cannon was made using prefabricated iron rings, which were forge-welded together to form its structure. The wrought iron cannons can be found in different parts of India. They were manufactured from individual iron rings, which were forge-welded together. The forge-welding technique was the method practiced and perfected in India to fabricate small and large iron objects. While casting is a more cost-effective and versatile method, forging provides superior strength, durability, and wear resistance, making it the preferred choice for crafting powerful cannons. Long before Europeans introduced casting, India's blacksmiths had already mastered the art of creating formidable forged cannons. Fascinating, right?